Hey guys, today I have a review on the new Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss. These were sent in PR, but as always, opinions are my own. The elephant in the room is that I sound a little weird. I'm a little groggy. I had laryngitis. I'm still recovering. The majority of the videos, well, literally all the videos that you guys have seen were either recorded before I got this laryngitis or months before. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. The PR package had this cute little bag, which I about screamed. This is like one of those puffer bags. Rare Beauty actually sells this on their website. It's very similar, but it's like a pinky tone one. So I hope that Huda will make these like a thing that she can sell on her website because it's so cute. And I love the tone of the whole bag, and then it has the little lips on it and her brand right here. So super cute. With the PR package, she also included like this little mirror. It's like these little lips. I feel like Huda was known for her lashes and lips before anything else, and so I think it's just super fitting for her to be going back to doing lip products and such. I'm so excited that she's back into the CEO role, and they're going to be rebranding her whole brand. If you guys haven't watched her video, definitely do. I'm super excited for her and for her brand because I really love her brand. Even before I got onto the PR list, I had already purchased like a lot of her products because I really love her brand. I think there's only maybe one or two things, especially like her setting spray, that the smell was a little bit too much for me. But other than that, I feel like I have yet to not like something, you know, like for the majority of the parts, I have really enjoyed her brand. So, and I love her as a person as well. But we do have little stickers here as well. These are super cute and glossy. And then we have a little pamphlet as well with the different ingredients and such, so I will be going through that. They sent me the whole line. There's 7 lip glosses, 3 nudes, 1 clear, 3 pinky tones. Let's go ahead and show you guys them. I will be showing lip swatches as well as arm swatches here to the side so you guys can actually see them on as well. I have one of them on my lips right now. But let's go ahead and go through the shades. First up is Glassy, which is this clear one. Then we have Honey, which is the light nudie kind of shade. We have Foxy, which is the shade that I have on my lips. And then for the darkest tone, I feel like this is beautiful on really dark complexions. This is Coco. So these are the 3 nudes in the line. And I love the fact that she did from like light to dark, because that way you can kind of cover every skin tone shade and something that will go with everyone. For the pinky tones, we have the shade Sugar Baby, which is the baby pink. We have Bombshell, which is that mid-tone pinky mauve. And then we have a dark mauve, which is Posh, and those are the pinky tones. And like I said, I will have lip swatches here to the side, so you guys will see that video, as well as the arm swatches. These come in a gorgeous little component like this. I love the fact that it's clear. You can see the shade, you can see how much product is in it. It says Faux Filler here on the side. It has the name on the bottom. The box itself is similar. It says Faux Filler, and then it has the shades on the top if you were in store searching for these. These have a 12-month expiration on them once you open them, and that's just something to know, because I feel like especially with more creamy products like lip products and such, you want to keep tabs on how long you've had them, because the in and out of using these, applying them and such, can create bacteria in here over the long haul. And so you don't want to keep products like that, like mascara too. You want to be like rotating them in and out of your collection. That being said, let's go ahead and talk about the stopper and the, what's this called, the applicator. This is a doe foot applicator, and I love that she went with this new kind of design. It's more of a pyramid looking doe foot applicator as you can see there. I love the fact that if you have bigger lips, you could use the whole thing like to go in, or if you have smaller lips like myself, you can go more on the edge with like the tip. And then also the tip is fine enough where you can like go into the edges of your lips as well. So I really like that. With the what's it called, with the stopper, it does hold back quite a bit of the gloss, but it still leaves quite a bit of product on the doe foot for you to apply onto your lips. I felt like some of the stoppers in here were a little bit more forceful than others, but for the most part I didn't have an issue. But there was one or two that when I went to take it out of the stopper, like a little bit of gloss flew out. But it just seems like it depends on the stopper. Obviously it's a product line, not everything is going to be completely perfect in every single one of them, but I just thought I would point that out, because on some of them, like, I don't know if you guys just saw that, like the stopper is a little bit too hard on them, but the majority of them I didn't have that problem. But when I opened, like for example that one, I was like, whoa, what happened there? And I thought I would point that out. Another thing that she included with these are the lip liners. Her lip liners are absolutely amazing. I have quite a few in my collection that I bought, and then I got these in PR with this whole set. These are just very creamy, long wearing, beautiful. I love the fact that they just twist up, so you can just twist them up to, you know, get more product. And the cap really snaps on there to help the creaminess stay, so it stays nice and secure on there. I love that even though her products are twist ups, her kohl liners, her lip liners, I don't have that issue that I have with ColourPop where like the whole stick will fall out, which is so annoying. So let me see if I can grab one of my ColourPop ones. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, you see the this is the reason that I have decluttered so many of these from ColourPop and literally don't buy them anymore, is because their lip liners and their eyeliners do that. And I feel like hers are so high end and like really like great material, like the way they're made, that I've never had that issue where I'm like fighting with the lip liner trying to get it to stay out and it just like keeps going back in and such like that. So highly recommend these. And her kohl liners as well, they are like one of my favorites. It's actually what I have on the waterline right now, is her black kohl liner. And I will put swatches of the lip liners as well, so you guys can compare the different colors, which ones you like. And then I wanted to also show you guys a video of me trying this lip cuffing trend. This is something that Huda suggests here on the back. It says Huda's hack. And what she does is that she lines the outside of her lips with like a darker lip liner and then a lighter one in the middle. And then she goes in with the clear glassy one and then just blends the whole thing together. And my lips look like insane. Like they're so like boom. It really like makes them look so filled and huge. And I thought that that was such a cool thing to do. I will say that I would probably do this again, but maybe with a slightly lighter colors, because I feel like it was a little too much. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts, overall thoughts, now that you guys have seen swatches and everything of everything. So especially with the faux fillers, I do love the glossiness to it. I love the fact that it fills in my lips. I also love the fact that it doesn't like when you smack your lips together, you don't get that goopiness, which like it sticks together. I would say that if you apply too many layers, you will get that. But if you apply just like what's on the doe foot applicator, just enough to give you like the glossiness, you won't have that issue. And I really like that, because you want like your lips to look glossy, filled, like plumping, without it looking like goopy and like people like, what the hell's going on with her lips? Like, what are those strings? Like it's connecting together kind of thing. So I really love like the whole vibe of this lip gloss. They don't have like a real scent to them. When I apply it, I don't like, it just smells like lip gloss. It doesn't have like a scent to it. So that's something really cool. Another cool thing are the ingredients. Like it has vegan collagen, vitamin E, It also has like plant-derived melted waxes. It just kind of gives you like a really plump, filled lip without having like that tingling feeling. They're very, very comfortable, and I just really love them. I want to declutter quite a bit because I know that I'll use these a lot more than some of my matte lip products. As I get older, matte lip products just really accentuate lines in my lips and just you know. And then I don't also want like a lot of these ultra glossy lip glosses that look way too goopy on the lips as well. So really gonna make some room for these because these are absolutely amazing. I love the shade range. They're very, very wearable shades. The only one that I would say that I have to tone down a little bit is the Coco one, just because it's such a dark shade for my skin tone itself. But I could definitely see like somebody with darker, like as you can see here, Coco was on a darker model here, and you can definitely see how beautiful. Oh, wait. Coco's over here. Coco's here on this model, and you can definitely see how beautiful it looks on her. So as you can see here, they use like different models from lighter skin tone, mid-tone, and darker skin tone to show the different shade ranges. And you can definitely see how beautiful each one looks on the different skin tones. Of course, if you like a shade, even if it's not like, you know, like you're not a mid-tone shade or a light shade and you want to try it, definitely go for it. But I do feel like she kind of like went down the shade line so that everyone would have a gloss that looks beautiful on them, especially. So overall, really, really love these. Let me know your opinions down below. And I'm super grateful for everyone who watches my videos, who keeps supporting my channel. I know my channel is super tiny, but I'm very, very grateful and appreciative of all of you and of Huda Beauty for actually, you know, sending this PR to a little micro influencer like myself. Anyways, I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.